You already have a lot of work on your plate, and the last thing you need to be doing is scouring the internet for trends and figuring out how to connect them to your marketing. That's why we made this video summarizing those trends and sharing ideas for using them in your marketing. We've got 5 trends shaping the garage door market and how you can adapt to them for continued business growth. Let's start with smart technology. So, it's everywhere, even in garage doors. You may know that already. But if you don't, the smart garage door and controller market is expected to grow at a rate of more than 9% through 2030, reaching 1.12 billion. People really love convenience. With an internet-connected garage door mechanism, opening and closing the garage door just takes a few taps on a phone. That means it's easier than ever to double-check whether it's closed or not and let people inside from a distance. If you offer smart garage door installations, your marketing absolutely needs to communicate that. At the very least, any pages you have about garage door openers or the installation of those openers should include details about your smart options. Consider offering a virtual garage door builder too, that walks people through their options and gives them a choice of smart or non-internet connected door openers. For even more SEO power, you can create dedicated pages for your smart door products and services. Using keywords like Wi-Fi controlled garage door or install smart garage door on those pages can help you reach people who are actually searching for your offerings. You'll have to refine those keywords with an SEO tool to really pin down what your audience is looking for, even plugging your competitors' websites into your tool to see what they rank for. On social media, use videos to highlight the convenience of smart opener technology. Imagine a busy parent letting their kid in the house while they're at work, or allowing an important delivery to be placed out of the public eye. You can use these videos in ad campaigns too. If you gather data about your website visitors, make an audience of people who have visited your smart door pages and send ads their way. If you don't have this information available, kick off your ads with third-party data targeting in-market audiences and start building a new audience of people who visited your website from the ads. Whether you do this on social media, search engines, or other websites depends on where your audience spends time online. Next up, simple or minimalist designs are taking the garage door world by storm. Clean lines and subtle colors are the name of the game. Now, before you go all in on minimalism, make sure your customers actually show interest in these types of garage doors. Look at purchases from more recent installations and identify the garage door styles chosen. Also, analyze your lead pipeline to see what your future customers want. You can even look at the search terms people use to find your website. Now, if all signs point to minimalism, consider making that a feature across your website. The big change here is imagery. On your homepage, use at least one or even a gallery of minimalist doors. If you've done recent installations, use as many photos as you can from the job site. Include these images in your ads too. If you replaced an old-fashioned garage door with a modern design, consider putting the images side by side for a before and after comparison. You may even create a video comparing the styles and sharing your design process. While you probably incorporate many garage door styles on your website, your ad's landing page should be built around the minimalistic theme. You can use text with words like simplicity, elegance, or sleek to capture the vibe, all paired with photos and maybe even videos of the corresponding products. But garage door trends are not just about looks and convenience. Data shows that more than 70% of home buyers in the US want energy-efficient home features. Energy efficiency is a major concern for property owners, and garage doors can play a big part in that. Your first approach here should be education. Your audience may know they want energy-efficient products installed on their properties, but they may not be aware of their options. This is your opportunity to show your knowledge. Create website content, whether that content comes in the form of new pages, infographics, or videos that explains how a garage can help reduce energy usage and save your audience money. This content can then be repurposed for ads, emails, and wherever else you need. You can go further than just outlining products though. Your content can help your audience understand what to look for in their garage door research. Here's an example for insulated doors. The average person probably isn't familiar with our values, so content that explains what our values are and what numbers are good and bad would be immensely helpful during the research process. You can even outline the benefits of different insulating materials like polystyrene versus polyurethane. Be the source for all of the garage door questions. And then, when those newly educated people are ready to make a purchase, they'll know your business is more than qualified to help them meet their energy efficient goals. Your marketing doesn't just have to be for new customers though. If you have former customers who installed older, less efficient garage doors, reach out to them via email with details about how they can improve their garage setup. Take that educational content you've made and repurpose it for your retention emails, explaining how an upgrade can save energy and budget in the long run. Data matters here too. Pull together case studies from your customers that highlight the before and after temperatures of an insulated garage, or the total energy savings once someone has a new garage door opener installed. This data can have a big impact on people who are in the final decision-making process, and it's great to feature in any sales-focused ads you're running. Speaking of energy savings, sustainable materials are a hot topic. Recycled steel, responsibly sourced wood, and composite doors have grown in popularity in recent years. If it's what the people want, it's what the people shall get. First things first, clearly label your sustainable door options on your website and in your other marketing channels. If the materials have any eco-friendly certifications, or if they count towards a designation like LEED, make that very clear. Green certifications add another layer of credibility to your eco-friendly garage doors and can help you build trust with people. Use your content marketing to showcase your eco-focus as well. Create blog posts and social media content that highlight your commitment to the environment. Give people a backstage look at your responsible sourcing and perhaps manufacturing practices. You can also use your content to educate, explaining different sustainability certifications or responsible sourcing techniques. And last but not least, durability is a must. People want garage doors that can withstand the test of time and extreme weather. This is especially important for people who live in harsher climates, like ones that see hurricanes or monsoons on a regular basis. In fact, EPA data shows that weather patterns are shifting, with 9 of the top 10 years of heavy one-day precipitation occurring in the last 3 decades. More people need their homes built to withstand severe weather on top of general wear and tear. It's one thing to say your garage doors are durable and can withstand a lot of impact. That's the bare minimum for your marketing. What really matters is that you show people why your garage doors are durable. Which materials, installation techniques, and warranties do you offer that can put someone's mind at ease? Visual content, like customer testimonials and demonstrations, can help you highlight the long-lasting performance of your garage doors. Create videos that show how your doors have stood up to harsh weather conditions or repeated use. You can even simulate harsh conditions or record impact tests for good measure. In your testimonials, have your customers explain how their garage door stayed in good shape despite less than ideal weather conditions or years of use. Like they say, the proof is in the pudding, or the garage door. On the topic of maintenance, include information about extended warranties and maintenance plans on pages with your garage door selection to showcase your confidence in the durability of your products. If someone is in your lead pipeline but hasn't yet closed, a warranty or maintenance plan may seal the deal. An email or ad campaign targeted at those leads and featuring your 10-year warranty or yearly maintenance packages is a great tool for building confidence in your garage doors. A guarantee that someone from your team will be there through any issues can put you ahead of your competition. Just make sure to be specific here so people know what they're getting with the warranty or other type of plan. No hidden fees, no surprises. If you incorporate all 5 of these trends into your marketing efforts, you're well on your way to striking a chord with your audience and closing more deals. The industry is evolving, and with the right marketing strategies, your garage door business will open up to new opportunities. Looking for a team of experts to help you put these trends to work? Get in touch with our team to learn how WebFX can grow your business with industry-focused marketing.